Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these Ford Ranger taillight surrounds. Now these are available both in chrome, as you can see here, or in matte black for all pre-facelift and facelift Ranger models. They are super easy to install, as I'm literally about to show you, and they make a really great addition to your truck by really basting up the back end. So let's get down to it. So as I explained, these are super easy to install, and to prove that, this is literally everything that you'll need to put them on your truck right here. First of all, of course, you've got your taillight surrounds themselves. We'll speak a little bit more about those in just a second. The only other thing that you'll need is something just to clean your taillights up with. So the reason that we do this is that you want as strong a bond as possible between the taillight surrounds and the actual taillight housing. Now you can, if you want, use something like rubbing alcohol. However, we find that just a general good all-purpose glass cleaner works fine, as that can remove any smears, streaks, dirt or grease that might build up on the taillights. As well as that, then we've just got a microfiber towel to wipe everything down with. So just a little bit about the taillight surrounds themselves then. So these are manufactured from high quality ABS plastic for good durability, and as I said before, they're available in a choice of chrome, which is a great match for the Ford Ranger Limited models, or in matte black, which personally I feel is probably better for the other models, including the Wildtrak you can see behind me. Now, one of the best things about these is that it requires no drilling, no screws and no modifications to your truck whatsoever. They stick on using genuine 3M tape for a simple but highly secure fit. So let's get down to it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is a dry run, just to make sure that everything lines up alright. And to my eyes that seems fine. So let's crack on with the glass cleaner. So all you have to do, a couple of squirts of the glass cleaner onto your microfiber towel. And just give it a quick wipe down to remove any residue, any dust, muck, dirt, grime, anything that would basically stop the tape from bonding onto the headlight. The next stage is to remove the backing off the 3M tape and then carefully line up the surround and apply pressure to ensure a tight bond. Give it a few minutes to set up, repeat on the other side, and that's virtually all there is to it. Now, if you ever need to remove the surrounds, a simple adhesive remover is all it takes, making these a fantastic, quick and pain-free semi-permanent modification. So there we go, a super simple install that literally anybody can do at home, and the effects are immediately obvious. If you'd like to know more about the products we used today, there are links to both the black and the chrome in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos very soon.